Hello everybody, time to get the seeds in again, and I was curious if these cheap seeds from the dollar store actually sprout. This is a pack of basil seeds, 4 for $1 for a bunch of seeds. We're going to stick them in some soil and see how they go. Well, let's plant some basil. Again, we're using our cheap 4 for $1 basil from the dollar store, and we're going to see how it goes. They're very tiny dark seeds. I don't know if you can even see them there. But so I'm going to try to get just 2 seeds in here, one in each of the little holes I made. And I can already see I'm doubling up a little bit. But that's okay. We're only going to keep the best plant in each of these cells. But I'm going to fill up, yeah, I'm doing like 3 or 4 of these guys, but that's okay. Maybe more. And yeah, might as well use the whole pack. So, okay. So in this row we have our basil, and we'll see if they sprout. So the question was, will these 4 for $1 packs of basil seeds from the dollar store actually sprout? And the answer is, yep, they sure did. Using this simple soil mix I go with, which is just half in-ground garden soil and half seed starter. Limited light, just whatever they could get in the window. And no extra heat, just plenty of water. Quite a few of these guys did sprout. So I'm pretty happy with the results. So to answer the question, will the 4 for $1 packs of basil seeds sprout? Yep, sure will. Very happy with the results. Next step will be to see if they grow.